Welcome. Today we will discuss manipulation during sales events and how to protect your savings. It starts with a polite phone call or a free invitation card in your mailbox. Organizers usually promise you a free health check, a complimentary lunch, or a valuable gift. When you arrive, professional sellers create a very friendly atmosphere. They present products like miracle medical devices or woolen blankets at huge discounts. They make you feel special to lower your caution. Then aggressive pressure begins. Sellers claim your health is in danger without this product. They create fake urgency, shouting that the special price is valid only right now. They do not give you time to think or call your family. Instead, they confuse you with complicated documents. In reality, these products are overpriced, and you sign high-interest loan agreements. Rule number 1. True medical checks are only done by doctors in real clinics, never at sales shows. Rule number 2. Never sign documents under pressure. Always take the contract home to read it. Rule number 3. Do not take your identity card, passport, or large cash amounts to these events. If you signed a contract, remember your rights. You can legally cancel it within several days. Talk to your family or consumer protection office. Be wise and protect your money. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.